Wait, this one? Ostrich. And what's this one? Cougar.
Nice job.
You know what this one is? That's a cougar. What's this? That's a shark. There's a snail and a tortoise and a sloth. Wait, do you want to see something else in here?
The fish.
Cougar, you said that's right. Now, what's this one? What's that one?
Gorilla.
Good
Nice job.
What's this now? Mouse. Very good. And there's a ladybug. What's this? Panda.
Panda.
And there's the rhino. What do you see here? What's the rooster say?
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
What's this?
Nice
Owl.
job.
And is this a horse?
Nay. Nice
What
job.
are these?
Butterflies. Nice
Can you
job.
show me the bat? Yeah.
Nice
and where's
job.
the sun? Where's the sun? Sun.
Nice
and
job.
Where's the moon? Moon. Very good. What do we have here? What is this? What are these? Ooh,
That's a monkey. You're right.
What's that one? Is that what is it? Kangaroo. And what's this now? Fish.
Fish.
Yeah. You see the dolphin? He's standing on Mommy's feet.
Nava. Say hello.
Nay, nay.
Excuse me.